I'm going to show you exactly how to archive emails in Outlook, one at a time and in bulk. Click the first message in your inbox and it highlights so you know it's selected. If you need to grab a few together, hold down Control and click each extra message. Outlook keeps them all highlighted. The one trap here is that clicking almost anywhere else clears the selection, so go straight to the archive step once you've picked your messages. With the message or messages selected, go to the Home tab in the top menu and click Archive, the folder icon in the Delete group. The selected emails leave the inbox right away. There is no confirmation box, they are not deleted. Outlook has moved them into the archive folder. I'm going to open that folder from the left sidebar now, and you can see the messages sitting there. If you don't see the folder, click your account name to expand the folder list. That's the single mail route. Now for bulk archiving. Go back to the inbox and click the checkbox at the very top of the message list. That selects everything on the current page, not the entire mailbox. If you only want certain messages, clear that top checkbox and then tick the checkbox next to each message you want. Once they're selected, right-click any selected message and click Archive. It's near the top of the context menu. Make sure you right-click directly on one of the highlighted rows, not a blank area or an unselected row. If you miss, Outlook drops the whole selection and archives only the message you clicked. Every highlighted message moves out as one batch. The inbox clears, and if you open Archive again, you'll see the whole group sitting there. One thing that catches people is the difference between archive and delete. Delete sends a message to deleted items, and that can eventually be removed permanently. Archive keeps the message searchable in the archive folder, so it's the safer choice when you just want a cleaner inbox. I only use delete for actual junk, never for messages I might need later. If you do archive the wrong thing, open the archive folder, right-click the message, choose Move, then Inbox, and Outlook puts it right back. If you need to archive an entire folder at once, click that folder in the sidebar, press Ctrl and the letter A to select every message inside, then right-click and archive. It works the same way. If this got your inbox cleared out, like it, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.